Hello traders, Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Every 1 minute time frame we analyze market through this chart. It's an automatic signal generator, automatic calls generator. Every day we analyze the market during the time morning market, but today Friday market March 17 we are analyzing in after 12 pm afternoon market. After 12 pm at 12:10 we have received a sell signal, sell call generator. So red color candle has been opened. Sell at 39,238. That is our entry point line. Below our target line, above line is the stop loss line. First target is 39,140. 98 point first target range. Every day in live market, it will analyze the candle movement. According to the candle breakout, you will receive calls like this in this chart. For chart subscription detail, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for the chart also. Today, first 1 minute candle has been traded at the entry point range only. But the second candle started to move in the downside direction. During this time, 50-point movement has been happened in the second candle. And market started to move in bearish momentum. During this bearish momentum, within 15 minutes we can say, within 15 minutes of the sell call generator, a 90-point movement has been given, but unfortunately not able to break out the first target. To break out the first target range, it took more than 40 to 50 minutes of market movement. After 50 minutes only, market successfully break out the first target range of 39,140. Like this today, sell call generator and moved and break out the first target range. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.